One of the things that I had to learn to get comfortable with is that people copy me. This has been something that, like you just have to you just have to be comfortable with the fact that um you are inspirational, which can feel weird at times and also very uplifting depending on where the energy is coming from, right? But just understand that what is for you is for you. And so people can copy you. And I went through this whole like thing, and it took me a while to really understand it. But doing the work, I really recognized that, like, you know what? It's okay. It's okay. But um but what's for you is for you. And people will always be influenced by something. We are all influenced by something. But what authentically resonates with you, that energy is unmatched. The energy speaks for itself and always will. And so, no matter if you feel like um, you are being um, copied or whatever the case may be, and other people may get recognition, you have to understand that the energy never lies, and that um, the energy is it's just it's energy. And so what is for you is going to be for you. And you can't give it power, because the thing is that, like, um there's a difference when you do things based on authenticity and you do things based on because you're copying somebody else. And that will always be revealed. It's always going to be revealed. Um, it's just what it is. And so, like I say, energy never lies. Um, and that shows up in so many different forms. And so, keep doing you and don't get discouraged by it. Trust me, I have been there and I have learned that lesson. And it doesn't matter how old you are, because it is something that, like, is a constant thing. Just see it as a beautiful thing that you are able to be a vessel of good influence. And whether or not or how that other person or people may use that is on them, and that is something that they have to be accountable for, just like we all have to be accountable for. But understand that, like, it is always the energy and the essence that will always matter, and that is something that can never be taken away. And so just hold that and keep that in mind and keep doing you. The focus always has to be on, like, I always circle back to this, is that you can never go wrong when you are doing things that are truly in resonance with you, because it just, the energy really does speak for itself, and it's undeniable. So keep doing you. All right, whoever needs to hear this, you got it. All right, namaste.